Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama What's Up. In today's video I'm gonna share with you how I prepare this delicious moi moi beans recipe, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. Yes. So guys, to begin, I have my mackerel fish just removed from the freezer, and here is the sweet beans, honey beans I'm gonna use. Yeah, next is to start washing my beans immediately. I use warm water to wash my beans, and guys, this beans is one of the best beans to make moi moi. If you are looking for a nice easy beans to make moi moi, I promise you, try honey beans and you will not regret it. Yeah, the beans is so easy to peel, and to be honest guys, this beans moi moi recipe, honestly guys, is one of the best moi moi I've ever made in my life so far. Yeah, trust me guys, if you try this recipe you will not regret it. But you can also use any choice of your beans, it doesn't matter, but I will prefer you try this honey beans. It's very nice and easy. Yeah, honestly the beans is not hard to peel. If you are looking for beans that will not give you stress, I promise you, try these honey beans and you will not regret it. I've been using these beans now for many years and the beans has never disappointed me. Yeah, although it's expensive for we in diaspora, even in Africa, it's expensive because it's one of the best beans so far I have ever known. So that is it guys. So continue watching, and please, if you are following me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Why don't you subscribe to my channel and let's be friends? Feel free to share my video, it's a way of helping me to grow. And don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. If you have any video suggestion, please don't forget to drop some line at the comment section down below. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you guys so much for always watching my video. I really appreciate you guys from the deep bottom of my heart. Yeah, so continue watching. So beautiful people, right now I'm done washing the beans. You can see how neat and clean it's looking. The next is to soak it inside water and leave it for some hours, depending on how long you want to leave yours. Yeah, as for me, I left mine for so long inside water because I wanted it to be very soft. Yeah, the reason why is because my blender is not very strong. But if you have a strong blender, you can just start blending your own immediately after washing. My own is not strong, so I left it to be soft enough so that my blender don't get spoiled. Yeah, the next step is to start boiling my fish. As you can see, I only added onions and Maggie seasoning inside the fish and add water inside and start boiling it. Now the beans is soft enough. These beans, I soaked it for a long time, so it was easy to blend. Yeah, so next is to go ahead and start blending my beans. I will blend it bit by bit. And one thing about soaking your beans is that after soaking it for hours, the quantity of the beans will just increase and the beans will get more softer and it will not damage your blender. So that is it. So guys, I blended it 3 times and this one is the first one, so I will go ahead and repeat the same step. So the second one I'm blending again. So guys, this is the last one which I'm done blending. Next is to blend my sweet long pepper and onions with crayfish and pepper. You can use red pepper, chili pepper, any one you want. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the water from the fish, stock water from the fish, and blend everything together. Yes guys. So after blending, I'm gonna go ahead and add it inside the beans, blended beans. Next is to combine it together. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. Yeah. Next is to add a frying pan on a fire. Then I'm gonna add amount of red palm oil, mix it with some amount of vegetable oil. Next is to add my chopped onions and add a little bit of Maggie seasoning. Then leave it to fry for some minutes.
A few moments later.
After that, I'll go ahead and pour the fried oil inside the beans and give it a quick stir. Make sure you combine it very well. At this stage, I'm gonna add my Maggie seasoning and some salt. Yeah, just a little bit of salt. As you can see, this is the only salt I added for this moi moi recipe. Yeah. Next is to brush the moi moi cup. Yeah, I'm gonna brush it with some oil, the same oil that I fried. So now I'm gonna start by adding it inside the cup. After then, I'll go ahead and add the fish inside, as you can see. Yeah. As this is going on, don't forget to boil amount of water inside the pot you are going to use to cook the moi moi. Yeah, which I've already done, and you can see the water must be boiled. Yeah. So next is to let it cook for 30 minutes on a medium heat. Yeah, and before then I'm gonna cover it with a foil paper. So right now guys, our moi moi is ready and it's looking so delicious. Yeah, the taste is awesome. It's sugary lekker. You can also enjoy this moi moi with custard, pap, jollof rice, name it all, gari. Yeah, so I believe I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye bye.
Yo.